Oh, that tree's across the road. And no, I don't need to be carrying a chainsaw. Yep, maybe I should have brought a chainsaw today. Well, here it is, 4 November. I'm in the Uintas. I've got a good long ride planned today, I think. In case you're wondering, I voted early, so no worries about me riding instead of voting. I've already voted. So let's get this party started. I hope you enjoy the video. Well, we're coming up on the river crossing. Let's see how this looks this time of the year. Oh, there's ice. Oh, yeah. This could be interesting, huh? I love it down here in these willows. There's a beaver house. There's a big beaver house. A lot of ice. Been nippy up here. Woohoo! If you're wondering about what looks like a lot of dead trees, about 5 or 10 years ago, the Boy Scouts here started a fire and it burnt a lot of country up. Still trying to recover. But man, did it burn a lot. Well, here I am starting on the climb to the pass into the Mill Creek area. Whoa, that's tight. Man, nobody else has been on the trail since it snowed. Cool. Oh, trees are down all over the place. This could be a challenge. Oh yeah, there's a view. thing about the snow, a lot of tracks show up. I've seen rabbit, deer, probably some weasel, and of course the beast. The beast is leaving some good tracks. Well, I got some trail blockage. Let's see if we can take care of this. Yeah, that wasn't bad. Oh shoot, I'm over 10,000 feet already. Oh, brother. Another tree. Well, at least those two ain't down over the trail yet, anyway. There's a couple more. Jeez, across the trail. That's why I didn't put the saw away. I could probably go around. Looks like there's two big ones across the trail right up there. Jeez almighty. Okay, I guess I'm gonna do... I don't know if I want to cut or not. Okay, decided before I cut, I'm gonna see if I can just cross them. Here goes nothing. No, I shouldn't have stopped. Back tires aren't touching. Okay. Let's try this winch out. Oh yeah, a lot easier than cutting them logs. Oh, that tree's across the road. See if I can go around it, because I sure as the heck don't want to cut it or try to drive over it with all those limbs sticking out. And no, I don't need to be carrying a chainsaw. Well, this is part of the Mill Creek drainage right here. We're going to head that way and then down that canyon. That ought to be interesting. There's trees down up here. If I'm able to make the loop I want to make today, tabletop is right over there, and I'll be coming down through there and down that road, come out and then back up this way later today. We'll see. Oh, no. Holy moly. Okay, got the log cut. One out of the way. And one, we'll see if we can pull this one out of the way. Now see if we can get here and get to the next one. Get through here and get to the next one. I had to make a U-ey. I couldn't get off that rock. Oh my heavens. Well, maybe I should have brought a chainsaw today. I just didn't even think about trees being down. Okay, back to work. Oh, it feels like summer now. Now let's see if we can get up here and pull that other one out of the way. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's see if this snatch block setup works. I've used it before. Just pulling the bike. That tree must be heavier than I think. Now, the cable came out of off the roller. Gotta go fix it. Okay, let's try this again. Works a lot better when the cable's in the roller. Okay, that ought to do it. Yeah, buddy. All the work I had to do, probably would have been easier just to cut it. Well, let me get everything unhooked and we'll continue on our way. Well, I'm on my way again. Boy, this is sure taking longer than I figured. Made it an adventure though. Makes me wonder, going through some of these other areas, how many trees are going to be down. I don't know if you can tell, but I've shed a lot of clothes. I got hot. I might have to put them back on, but for right now, wow, this is nice. This is way nice. Nobody's tracks, just the animals and me. Yeah. Sun's out. What a great day. Well, one thing about it today, no dust. Good thing there's not much more snow, or I wouldn't be able to see where the trail is. Oh yeah. This ought to be interesting. Let's see. No biggie. Just another trail for the Can-Am. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's these tracks. Cool. He's probably surprised to see me too. This is awesome. This was just what I was hoping for. Well, I wasn't hoping for all them trees to be down. Oh, jeez. Okay, looks like I'm going to be working again. Well, if I have to cut very many more trees, I'll be turning around. If it was a big one like that, I'd just turn around. Whew. Oh, crap. Oh, I thought that was the trail over there, and it's not. No, there's one leaning though. No, and I think we'll see. Oh, bugger. Well, guess I'm turning around, because I'm not cutting that SOB. And there's even more up. Well, nope. Look, I'm done here. Time to turn around.